Well, good morning, everyone, and thank you so much for joining me today at Juanette's Crafting Corner for my Quick Tip Thursday. And this is episode number 40. And before we get started, I would like to thank some people for their comments on my last video. Laura M. said she has a dog named Lena. Many people loved hearing the story about my grandson speaking in church, Enchanted Dreams, Steph, Annette, Lori from Journals from the Attic, and Natalie. So I appreciate that. Thank you so much. So this quick tip is something that I learned back in my card making days. And sometimes you'll have a punch that will stop punching really well. They have like a cut or cutters, and sometimes they need to be sharpened, but you can't get in there with, like a file or something to sharpen it. And this is what you do. You just take some aluminum foil, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this over so that it has a little bit of a nice corner so that I can slip it. It's this one right here that is not cutting real well. Let me bring this one over here a little bit there too. Okay, so I have this corner now, and I'm going to just slip it in there. And because that's in the way, it's not going all the way to that corner. So it can be a little bit finicky, but let's see now if it goes in. Yes, so see how it's going right into that corner? And you snip it with the aluminum foil. Now this is heavy duty aluminum foil. So I'm going to fold it over one more time, get an edge, and I may have to pull that like that, and get a nice corner edge, and I'm going to stick it in there and snip it again. And that a lot of times will help your punches sharpen a little bit. Something about the aluminum foil. Let's just kind of get in here on the bigger one and see if I can fit that in there. Yep, it went in some. It got stuck a little bit. I maybe need a better corner. Let's try this here. We'll try this big one here. There's a nice corner hat fit in there, and I was able to snip it. And that does help. That helps a lot. The other thing you can do, let me just do one more time here, because these are the two that I use the most. It kind of got caught there, but then you have to make sure to get that foil out of there. The other thing is your scissors too. Cleaning them will help, but if you take aluminum foil and cut it with your scissors, it will also sharpen them a little bit. Kind of getting all scrunched up there. Let me just go through one layer. Sorry for the noise, you guys. One more time. And that should help that. So that's my quick tip for sharpening punches. Let's try this one, because this one sometimes It's a big punch, so let's see how it works. I'm going to fold the aluminum foil over twice, slip it in there, and let's see if it'll punch it. It did. So just doing that a couple of times. That should help that. So that's my quick tip for aluminum foil. Now the other quick tip I'm going to tell you about is make sure that if there is somebody that says on their YouTube channel that they're going to do a live and they're going to give away a gift, especially if it's your friend. Like Vanessa is my friend. I've never met her. Clemens Crafts is her YouTube channel. And she was saying the other day that she was going to go live and that she was going to do a giveaway. And there are several people that I think contribute to her giveaways. And so I went on because sometimes I just like to visit with people when they're on a live. I've yet to do a live. One of these days I'm going to. But she did a live, and these people, two sister jam, Stacy and Dana, gave a lovely gift, and I won it. My number was right on. So I'm going to show now what I received, and it was a huge package of stuff. I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to link Vanessa's channel, and this may be an Etsy store. I don't know if they have a YouTube channel, but I'm going to link both and show you what I got. Totally free. I didn't have to pay for shipping, and it was a lot. So thank you, Vanessa. Thank you, Stacy. And thank you, Dana. And we'll go from there, and I'll show you what I got. I thought I would do a little unboxing of a gift that I won over at Vanessa's channel, which is called Clemens Crafts. And it was during a live, and she was giving away several gifts to people. And you just randomly were given a number, and then that number was called. And apparently, a lot of this is from, it's called Two Sisters Jam. She also, Vanessa added some French ledger for me. And apparently one of the winners gifted the box that she was going to get back to Vanessa. And so Vanessa split it up among all of us. So this is just very generous. Look at how much stuff is here. Let me just grab some scissors. That would probably be easier. And we'll just see what I won. So some beautiful red ribbon, which will definitely go in my December dailies that I'm working on, because that is a gorgeous red. A pretty little gold button. We have some applique. That's beautiful. Ooh, something else for Christmas. Yippee. That's pretty. Some very pretty silver and white lace. And then this pretty little doily, I think this is one of those things that you would lay in a bread bowl and put your rolls in there, and actually it would go this way, right? I think like that, and then it would keep your rolls nice and warm, and then you would be able to see how pretty this is. That's beautiful. Thank you, Vanessa. And then a pretty charm. Oh, it's actually a pretty good size necklace. Oh, I love this, where it's got the magnet to hold it closed. That's pretty. Love that. And then some nice lace. I love that it's nice and thick. And then look at how beautiful she wrapped this up. Let's see what's all in here. Let's see, this almost looks like, yeah, pattern from a you know, a pattern for, oh, sewing, yes. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's in French too. Oh, that's fun. I love that. Yes, I will definitely use this side. I wonder if I could see a year. I really can't see a year, but you can tell it's all in French. Thank you. And then, like she said, some French ledger paper. Let's see, 1968. A nice folio of that. It's big. Oh, you know what? No, that says 1817. Well, what did I see over here? Well, that says 1968. 34, 36, 42 reports. Vanessa, you're going to have to tell me what year this is, because it says 1817 there. Let's see on the back here what it says. No, because you know what? That says 2468. So I bet it is 1800s. And then there's some more here. This would be early the 1900s. But it's prescriptions. I love that. French prescriptions. Ooh, this is a jewel. Vanessa, I love this for sure. Wow. That is fantastic. And then look at how pretty she wrapped this up for me with this beautiful lace and then some really pretty tissue paper. I'm just going to take my scissors real quick and snip there. Oh, wow. There's a lot in here. So let's see, what's it say? Thank you for having faith in us. Your business means so much to us. We enjoy everything and look so forward to our future with you, Stacy and Dana. Where two sisters jam, where trash to treasure finds a home. Oh, look at this is for your November drawing. Love you, so you da bomb. Here's a gift to you too. Were you supposed to keep one of these, Vanessa? Oh, honey, if you were supposed to keep one of these, you let me know. We've got beautiful lace, doilies. Oh, I love it. Some yellow, I don't have yellow lace. Orange lace, blue lace. Here is some stitched lace over some fabric. Pink lace and cream colored lace. Well, that's all textiles, and then this is all paper. Wow, that was really great to be at this giveaway, wasn't it? From the library of the library card, and then a huge stack of papers. So we have some ledgers here. 1954. That was the year I was born. That's 1940. Oh, here's pedigree chart. Oh. This is interesting. Oh, somebody, boy. Walnut Creek, California. Oh, this is interesting. Oh, and this, somebody should have this. I need to do some research because this is somebody from the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, 1972. This is called LDS ordinances, where they're baptized, endowed, sealed to their wife or husband. Actually, most of this stuff I think now is all on digital. But I think I'm going to do a little research and see if I can find those people and see that family and see if I can, they might want some of that. Let's see, we've got some old library cards. Remember the you'd go to the library and you'd pull out the card to see where it was. And we have some coffee filters, some fun tags to decorate, a couple of nice, cute little envelopes, some bags for usually silverware, some paper bags. That looks like French book page. Ooh, this is German. I can tell that. Some dictionary pages. Recipes. That's from an old child's reading book. The same with that. Oh, I love these kind of cookbooks where people would send in their recipes, and you know, some church or something like that would pull together all the recipes. and then they would sell those. Well, thank you, Vanessa. This is just lovely. A youth choir. Lots of fun stuff. Thank you so much. And you guys go over and subscribe to Vanessa's channel. I will link it in the description box. And I also will link Two Sisters Jam, their YouTube channel or their Etsy store. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thanks and bye-bye.